Welcome to this video. It's Hannes Knechtges of Werde Musiker here, and I'm happy that you're here because I want to show you in this video, in this whole video series, the solo that nobody knows of the song that everybody knows. You might have guessed already which this solo is taken from. Yes, you're right, it's this song. It's Smoke on the Water, the solo, and in this video we're about to deal with the first part, the first 5 bars of the solo. So don't forget to check out all the other parts of the solo tutorial, which I have linked in the description under this video. And please stay with me in this video till the very end, because I'm about to show you some really important things to master that solo in a cool, proper way. And it's so much fun to play it because we have so many cool techniques going on here, and I can assure you it's a lot of fun. Before we start out, I want to give you another hint for my free lessons, which you'll find in the video description too, under this video. It's a cool basis to start out as a beginner if you have no clue how to do and how to play anything on the guitar, literally. This is a good way to start on the guitar and to get along on my channel here or on the guitar in general. So make sure to check that out, and we start now in this video with this part of the solo. So it's starting with a pickup on bar number 0, if you want to. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. And we start on the 4 of bar 0 with our pickup, bar, and the 12th fret of the D string, with the ring finger. By the way, everything in this part is played with downstrokes. So 12, and then on the G string and the 10 and 12th fret. Sorry. And on the 12th fret on the G string we make a wide vibrato. So 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. And on the 4 of the next bar, on the first bar, we play on the 13th fret of the B string, but we have to do a pre-bend. What's that? We bend the string for a whole tone. You have to practice that a little bit if you're not used to this, to make sure you're hitting the right note. We're grabbing in the 13th fret, as I said before, then we do a whole tone bend before we hit the string. So it should be this note sounding, and then we do a bend release. And then you go with the index finger on the 11th fret, and with the middle finger on the 12th fret of the G string again. So it's pre-bend, 11, 12. Again a vibrato on the 12th fret of the G string. And after that we play with the index finger in the 11th fret of the B string again and do a bend upwards again. By the way, I'm playing with my neck pickup on my Strat here, and don't use too much gain actually. It's kind of like old schoolish, crunchy, overdriven sound. Put in some reverb if you have that on your amplifier or your effects unit or whatever. That's a good basis to start, but it needs to be a very clear sound. I mean, you need some overdrive for a little bit more sustain, but don't play like a high gain, very modern setting there. So. And then we go again in the 12th fret of the D string and 10th and 12th fret of the G string. And again, 11th fret, B string, but this time with the middle finger, so it's... And played kind of like staccato. Not... but... so... And again, 11th fret with the middle finger, and we do a whole tone bend up and a vibrato on top. Shake it. Release and 10th fret. So till there. And then we go to the 8th fret, 10 again, 8, hammer on, pull off, so it's... and slide to the 6th fret with the index finger. So... sorry. From the top. And then again 8th fret and 6th fret. So. And then 8th and 10th fret of the G string. And then on the 10th fret we do a whole bend. And then 8th fret B string. And then again 10th fret G string, but this time kind of like a half tone bend. Or a, somewhere there, and then again, then we move up to a whole tone bend. So. And a vibrato on top of that. From the top. One, two, from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. So these were the first 5 bars of the Smoke on the Water solo by Deep Purple. And as I said before, there are more parts which you find in the video description. So thanks for tuning in, and make sure to check out the other parts of the solo, of course, the solo that no one knows of the song that everybody knows. So thanks for tuning in. We see us in the next video. I'm counting on you. See you. Bye.